Am I the only one that didn't know about these hidden gems? From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, our planet is replete with awe-inspiring landscapes. But tucked away from the well-trodden paths, lie hidden gems, serene pockets of nature waiting to be discovered. Join me, Stanley, as we embark on a journey to explore hidden gems. Serene walking tours through pristine forests, tranquil beaches and breathtaking mountain trails. Prepare to immerse yourselves in the sights and sounds of nature's untouched beauty. Welcome to Globe Gazers. Please subscribe to this amazing channel as I embark on an exciting journey exploring hidden gems. Serene walking tours through pristine forests, tranquil beaches and breathtaking mountain trails in today. Our first destination takes us deep into the heart of Seri Alam's untouched forests. Here the air hangs heavy with the scent of damp earth and blooming flora, a symphony of life conducted by the gentle whisper of the wind. Towering trees, their canopies a mosaic of emerald and jade, form a cathedral of nature, sunlight filtering through the leaves in dappled rays. Beneath this verdant ceiling lies a world teeming with life. Listen closely and you might hear the rustle of leaves as a shy deer makes its way through the undergrowth. Look, a flash of vibrant color, a kingfisher perched on a low-hanging branch, its plumage a jewel against the emerald backdrop. These forests are home to a remarkable diversity of plant life. Giant ferns unfurl their fronds, their intricate patterns a testament to nature's artistry. Delicate orchids cling to moss-covered branches, their blooms a riot of color against the subdued palette of the forest floor. Here, every step reveals a new wonder, a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural world. The forest floor, a tapestry of fallen leaves and decaying wood, provides sustenance for a hidden world of insects and fungi. Mushrooms, their caps a kaleidoscope of shapes and hues, push through the damp earth while brightly colored beetles scuttle amongst the fallen leaves. This delicate ecosystem, a symphony of life and decay, is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. As we walk, the sounds of the city fade into the distance, replaced by the symphony of the forest, the gentle gurgling of a nearby stream, the melodic calls of unseen birds, the rustling of leaves beneath our feet. These are the sounds of serenity, the music of nature's embrace. Take a deep breath and feel the coolness of the air, heavy with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. This is the essence of the forest, a place of tranquility and rejuvenation, where the stresses of everyday life melt away beneath the canopy of green. Here in the heart of the forest we are reminded of the importance of preserving these pristine environments. For they are not only havens of biodiversity but also sanctuaries for the soul, places where we can reconnect with ourselves and the natural world. As we continue our walk, keep your eyes peeled for the subtle signs of life that surround us. A spider web, glistening with dew, strung between two ferns. A family of monkeys, their playful chatter echoing through the trees. A lone eagle, soaring high above the canopy, its silhouette dark against the azure sky. These are the moments that stay with us long after we have left the forest, memories etched in our minds by the beauty and tranquility of this pristine environment. So let us cherish these pockets of wilderness, these emerald embraces that remind us of the power and importance of the natural world. For in their preservation, we ensure not only the survival of countless species, but also the well-being of our own souls. Our journey now brings us to the edge of the land, where the emerald embrace of the forest gives way to the azure expanse of the sea. Here, along the pristine coastline of Seri Alam, lie beaches of unparalleled tranquility. The air, infused with the tang of salt and the scent of the sea, invites you to breathe deeply, to release the cares of the world and embrace the rhythm of the tides. Fine, white sand, soft as silk beneath your feet, stretches out before you, kissed by the gentle caress of the waves. The turquoise waters, so clear you can see the ocean floor, beckon you to wade in, to feel the coolness embrace your skin. The sun, a warm orb in the azure sky, paints shimmering diamonds on the water's surface, a mesmerizing dance of light and motion. As you stroll along the shore, the gentle rhythm of the waves becomes a soothing melody, washing away the stresses of everyday life. The sandpipers scurry along the water's edge, their tiny legs a blur as they chase the receding waves, their cheerful chirps adding to the symphony of the sea. Look out to the horizon, where the sky meets the sea in a seamless blend of blue. Sailboats, their white sails billowing in the gentle breeze, glide effortlessly across the water, their tranquility mirroring the peacefulness of this coastal haven. The beach is a place of constant change, shaped by the ebb and flow of the tides. Shells, their intricate patterns and delicate hues a testament to the artistry of nature, are deposited on the shore, treasures left behind by the retreating waves. Driftwood, sculpted by the relentless power of the ocean, tells silent tales of journeys across vast distances. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the sand, the beach transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty. The sky erupts in a fiery palette of orange, pink, and purple, reflected in the shimmering waters below. The air cools, and the gentle breeze carries the scent of salt and seaweed, a reminder of the ocean's proximity. This is the magic of Seri tranquil beaches, a place where time seems to slow down, where the worries of the world fade into the background, replaced by the simple pleasures of nature's embrace. Whether you seek solitude or companionship, adventure or relaxation, these shores offer a sanctuary for the soul. So come, walk with me, and discover the tranquility that awaits you on the beaches of Seri. Let the gentle rhythm of the waves soothe your mind, the warmth of the sun caress your skin, and the beauty of the surroundings fill your heart with peace. For here, on these shores of tranquility, you will find a connection to nature that will stay with you long after you have left the beach. Chapter 3: Ascent to Inspiration, Breathtaking Mountain Trails. Our final journey takes us upwards, away from the embrace of the sea and the tranquility of the beaches, to the towering peaks that define Seri skyline. Here, amidst the clouds, lie breathtaking mountain trails, each step an ascent to inspiration. As we begin our climb, the air grows crisper, infused with the scent of pine and the sweet fragrance of wildflowers that cling tenaciously to the rocky slopes. The path winds its way upwards, sometimes steep and challenging, sometimes meandering through meadows carpeted in wildflowers. Each turn in the trail reveals a new vista, a breathtaking panorama of rolling hills, verdant valleys, and distant peaks that pierce the sky. The world stretches out before you, a tapestry of nature's artistry, its beauty both humbling and exhilarating. The higher we climb, the more the sounds of civilization fade, replaced by the symphony of the mountains. The wind whispers through the trees, carrying with it the scent of pine needles and damp earth. A distant waterfall roars like a sleeping giant, its cascading waters a silver ribbon against the emerald slopes. Look closely and you might spot a mountain goat, its sure-footed agility a marvel as it navigates the rocky terrain. Birds of prey soar effortlessly overhead, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below for signs of movement. Here, amidst the clouds, we are reminded of the power and majesty of the natural world. The ascent can be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. With each step you feel a sense of accomplishment, of pushing beyond your limits and discovering the strength within. And when you finally reach the summit, the view that greets you takes your breath away. From this vantage point, the world seems to stretch out forever. Rolling hills give way to distant plains and the horizon disappears into a haze of blue. The air is thin but exhilarating, and the silence, broken only by the wind and the cries of distant birds, is profound. This is the magic of Seri mountain trails, a place where you can challenge yourself physically and mentally, where you can reconnect with nature and discover a sense of peace and accomplishment that only comes from reaching new heights. So come, join me on this final adventure and let the mountains inspire you. Let the fresh air fill your lungs, the stunning views captivate your senses, and the challenge of the climb ignite a fire within your soul. For here, amidst the clouds, you will find more than just breathtaking scenery. You will find a renewed sense of purpose, a deeper appreciation for the beauty of the natural world, and a connection to something far greater than yourself. As we conclude our journey through the hidden gems of Seri, I hope you've felt a sense of tranquility wash over you. Remember, these serene pockets of nature are closer than you think, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this exploration of pristine forests, tranquil beaches, and breathtaking mountain trails, subscribe to my channel for more adventures. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here. Together we'll uncover the hidden beauty of our planet, one step at a time. And before you go, tell me about your favorite serene spot in the comments below. Let's share our love for nature and inspire each other to seek out moments of peace and tranquility in our everyday lives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I promise to come back with even more exciting explorations.